Greetings! In this lesson, we will talk about decals, what they are and how they can be useful. We will proceed next with some common use cases to serve as examples. So without further ado, let's jump right in. In the Place Actors panel, search for decal and drop the actor in the scene. This is basically a box projection that you can rotate and scale around. By default, you will get green tiles, but this is because we haven't specified any material yet. In the Details panel, a few settings can be found. Use the Fade screen size to set a threshold at which the decal should fade out to save performances, and the Sort order will let you set priorities. Create a new material that will serve as a master for our decal. Using instances here is valuable to try things faster, so make sure to check out my lesson on master materials and instances to know more. Open your material, and here we need to tell the engine that this material will be only used for decals. To do this, select your main node, go to the Details panel and change the material domain from Surface to Deferred Decal, and change the blend mode to translucent. From there, we can create a vector parameter to be used as a color. Set any color you want as a default, and let's try it out. Create an instance from that master material and assign it to the decal of your choice. You can now project a cube of color. Okay, not very useful. I will add a texture sample and set it to any black and white image. Save your changes, and you can now make stickers. While experimenting though, you might encounter some shortcomings of decals. By default, decals only appear on dynamic lights and won't show in static baked lighting. Fortunately, we can solve this issue by changing a few things in our material. In the Details panel, below Material Domain and Blend Mode, you will find Decal Blend Mode, which offers a lot of options. To use static lighting, pick a blend mode with the prefix debuffer. Now, which one, you might ask? It depends on which material slot you're using. For example, I could use the debuffer translucent roughness to create a water puddle. Or only use the normals to add bump variations. Now with debuffer blend mode enabled, your decals will show on baked lighting. And this wraps it up for this lesson. Experiment with different blend modes to properly understand the nuances, and you should now have what it takes to create awesome new scenes. So until next time, you take care and have fun.